Our internal controls cover every aspect of that project, and as principal contractor, we were involved from the enabling works, which included incredibly complex temporary propping, through to the actual installation and recording of every single fire barrier. It's our commitment to quality and safety, which is why we've signed up to be an approved installer by the BRE for fire barriers. A2O were a key part in a professional team. It was their inspections which ensured that when the project finished on time and on budget at the end, it was instantly available for funding.